Hey guys, welcome back. Ken here, and I'm doing a special product review. What is it? It's this guy, SnapMount System. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Why is this so special? Well, I won this on another person's YouTube page, and that person is Danny Black. And once again, Danny, thank you, sir. Really appreciate it. It was awesome. And below, I will go ahead and put a link to his YouTube channel so you can check out his product reviews. He does reviews like me, just better. So what is it? Well, the SnapMount is a system that was born of 3 guys, a garage, a few beers, and a few years later, here we are. Well, what is that really? I mean, what does it mean? Well, what it means is this is supposed to be everything you need in a mount. So let's cover that, shall we? But you know what? First, I think it's easier to show you what's going on if I show you what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Hey guys, check what I got from SnapMounts. This is actually something very cool. I won it from Danny Black. Shout out to Danny Black for giving this for me because I won it in his Christmas giveaway. But let's take a look inside. So this was given to us. I got to flip it over this way. Was sent to us from SnapMounts in Virginia, I believe. Ashburn, Virginia. This is basically how it was sent to me. Let's open her up. It's kind of cool. If you look over here, it says experience freedom. And then what is greeted, open that up a little bit, is the big gig winner. Doesn't matter. Thought that counts is pretty damn cool. So big winner. It's on the back of one of their SnapMount cards here. All right. So pretty cool. Big winner. A SnapMount sticker. This will definitely go on something. Very cool. Also, just for you guys over there, take a look at it. Here you go. Let's do that correctly. There you go. What comes in the box? What we get is a lanyard. Very nice. This will go to one of the adapter pieces here. You'll get these guys right here. And let me set that over here. And that is basically all that you get in the box. Set this aside. What do we have? Now this is gonna be really hard, but I gotta do this with one hand. So you get the main plate that you can connect your action camera, GoPro, whatever it is you need to hook up to it. See if I can get that in focus a little bit better there. The lanyard, it ties to this plate here. And then of course you connect this plate by connecting, boom, this guy. And man, is it strong. All right, so now that you've seen what's in the box, I've attached my GoPro on here to give you a view of what it looks like to attach fully on the system, but it's designed to minimize your mounting time and difficulty. And those of you who know about GoPros and mounting can be a complete pain in the backside and quite time consuming. Loosening the screw, pulling it off, putting it on another mount, trying to line those holes, get that screw in there, lock it in, get it in position. Is that right? That's good? Yep, let's go. All right, you don't have to do that anymore, hopefully with these guys. This is, again, what this system is intended to improve. The specs, well, it's compatible with all GoPro cameras and other action cameras that use the same finger mount system as you see here. It utilizes a N52 rare earth magnets. It's actually 4 of them and 4 on the plate. They lock in. Easy to grab finger holes and allows you to peel apart the plates. Okay, it's waterproof to 10 meters, 33 feet, basically like the GoPro camera. Interesting enough anyway. The shape itself, while it wasn't easy to find, I measured. It's approximately 83 millimeters wide, 75 millimeters in depth, if you say, and 20 or 36 millimeters in height. The price of, not with the GoPro, but of the plates itself and what you see here with the 2 plates and the lanyard here is $39.99 US. And if you go and check out their website, they have a ton of other options that you can get. You can also buy individual components to add to your system or whatnot. So who's it for? Yeah. Well, it's for just about anyone that needs to quickly mount their action camera to something ferrous metal or of any of the SnapMount systems. I say then that maybe it's for hikers that want to capture that first person view. They can snap it on their chest with the plate. They can add it to, a selfie stick to get those really good close views. You can use it with, well, let's say like snow skiers, wanting to go down that awesome massive mountain. Water skiers, backpackers, adventurers, rappellers, military, fire, police, safety personnel. I mean, I can go on and on and on, and you get my point. It's very adaptable to a lot of things that you might find useful as a fun adventure or even work. So with that, let's talk about what's good about this, right? Well, what we've been talking about, and I've been making a lot of noise, these magnets, they are stout. They will hold on for its own life. It is crazy how good these magnets hold, and they are strong. I find it relatively hard to probably not lose your camera on these things. Strong, well thought out, great build, and great quality. That's what comes to mind with this. When I look at this, when I feel it, when I touch it, when I'm working with it, it just, everything seems really, Really good. I've been snapping and banging this thing for quite a while, and it works great. It has so many great options to mount this camera or any other action camera to fast. I mean, anything with ferrous metal, boom, it's locking on. You got a position, it's there. And the adapter plates, you know, you attach them to selfie sticks or whatever, and you just swap, easy to go. The price, I think, for me, is affordable. Maybe other people find that it won't be, but I think it's affordable. And I think another great feature is that it's got great capability of camera angles. I mean, that you can mount it to so many other things and get these great angles. With the good, what's not so good about this? On slick, painted metal surfaces, your car. Unless you buy the Snap Mat at $6.99, this mount is going to slide relatively easily across your paint. And what does that mean? That means that there's a potential of scratching your paint. Because these are made of, you know, very hard plastic, and your car paint is very slick, in and of themselves, when they just attach, they slide on their own pretty easily. You need that mat just to hold on. Also, I said that the magnets are strong, but again, I still have that fear that you're gonna get that one hard jostle and this camera's gonna go bye-bye. I'm just saying, I think so. Also, the thumb screw. I'm not sure if it's completely capable of holding the camera at a specific position while under heavy vibrations. What does that mean? I mean, like you're riding a bike and it starts to vibrate, it'll wanna walk out of position. I see that you can tighten this on really tight, but still there's that potential and that possibility of walking on you. But mount it in position that it won't walk, you'll be fine, I think. Okay? My final thoughts. First off, please do not put this near your chest if in any way, shape, or form you have a medical device that's implanted in your chest. Continuing on with my thoughts on this. Even though I didn't have to buy this, I was already intrigued by it from watching Danny Black review it. And I thought, I'm gonna get this. Just happened to be that he was having a drawing on this about a month or two later, and I won it. Awesome me, thank you. Thanks again, Danny. I have multiple mounting options for my GoPro already, but this system, I mean, it just takes it to a whole nother level. I mean, it's just, things that you didn't think of that you could mount to before, you can now. And I mean, just having that idea to mount it to your shirt or your jacket and have it sit there right in front without having to log on or put on a whole chesty device, it's crazy. Awesome, crazy awesome. I don't recommend that you attach this to your car or even some other nicely maintained metal surface by itself. But if you use the proper protection devices that comes with the snap mount, that pad, if you get that, I think you're gonna be fine, okay? All in all, this is a great system, and I do see myself wanting to try out their other products to add to the SnapMount system. I think this is great. I want to do more. I want to get more of those plates so I can attach it to other devices, demonstrate how quickly you can go from one place to another. It's really cool. And if you like action cameras, but you hate all that time that it takes to change out your mounting positions within your camera systems, then this device is going to work for you. I do recommend this product as it's well built. It's super solid in construction, super strong magnets that ensure that it's going to stay connected under most vibrations and most jostles, I guess, for the most part. But then more and so, it's easily swappable in mounting positions. So, I mean, kind of the best of the two worlds, I would think. I'm going to tell you, I plan on using this often with my GoPro. I plan on using it in many adventures and many activities. So I'm going to do a follow-up on this, on how it lasted or how it's still lasting from the many test and adventures that I do. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button to follow me on further reviews, as well as let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me know, are you going to get this? Do you have a GoPro and you wanted to use this or an action camera? Was this review helpful? If there's something about it you didn't like, let me know. Just tell me, okay? I usually will answer any of the comments down below. So please, finally, hit that like button and also that bell so that you can be notified of future videos that I do. And lastly of all, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace.